Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do mutton biryani in rice cooker. Let's get started. Now I am putting in the soaked rice into the rice cooker. I soaked for 30 minutes. Now I am adding in the spices like cardamom, anise, cinnamon, bay leaf and cloves. 2 pieces of cut chili, jeera, mint leaf, coriander leaf. For 2 cups of rice, I am adding 3.5 cups of water. Some ghee, salt. Now I am putting in the oil which I used for frying onion, which contain ghee and oil. I am putting in spices like cardamom, anise, cinnamon, bay leaf, clove. Saute them with onion. Adding in salt now for the onions to be brown. Adding in tomato. I'll cook them until it gets soft. Ginger garlic. And chopped chili. Chili powder, biryani powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cinnamon, nutmeg powder, black pepper powder. Now adding in the curd. Stir them until the spices mix well. Then I am adding in mint leaf, coriander leaf and stir them. Adding in salt. Now I am adding in the mutton which is pre-cooked with salt. I am adding in little bit of the mutton stock and I put high fire and stir them until the mutton mix well. Now the rice is 80% cooked, so I am going to add in the meat. On top of the meat, I am adding in fried onion, lemon juice, coriander leaves. Then I will close for them to cook well. I am checking whether it's cooked. Very well done. Now I am going to serve it. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.